Human anatomical systems and sense organs. Key information. Breathe easy. Your respiratory system, consisting of your lungs and airways, takes in oxygen and puts it into your bloodstream, giving you the energy you need. Food fuel. Your digestive system is like a food factory, breaking down what you eat into nutrients that power your body and getting rid of what's not needed. Blood flow. Your circulatory system, made up of your heart, blood vessels, and blood, is like a delivery service, bringing oxygen and nutrients to all parts of your body. Control center. Your nervous system, including your brain, spinal cord, and nerves, is the command center, controlling movements, thoughts, and actions. Protective cover. Your skin is like a shield, protecting you from harm, and your eyes are delicate sense organs that help you see the world around you. How air enters your body. Air comes into your body through your nose. What happens in the nasal cavity? In the nasal cavity, the air gets warmed up and moistened by the mucous membranes. This helps prepare the air for your lungs. Air's path. After the nasal cavity, air moves through the pharynx, which is at the back of your throat, and then goes down the trachea, also called the windpipe. Air travels down the trachea, windpipe, into the chest. The trachea splits into two bronchi, one for the left lung and one for the right lung. In each lung, the bronchus branches into smaller tubes called bronchioles. These bronchioles keep branching into even smaller tubes, leading air deeper into the lung. Finally, air reaches the terminal bronchioles, which lead to clusters of tiny air sacs called alveoli. The alveoli are shaped like a bunch of grapes and are where gas exchange happens. All these air paths, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, are lined with mucous membrane, which keeps the inhaled air moist and helps protect the lungs. Gas exchange in alveoli. This is where the magic of breathing happens. Oxygen you breathe in gets into your blood, and carbon dioxide in your blood gets out so you can breathe it out. Thin walls of alveoli, being 1 cell thick, makes it easy for oxygen and carbon dioxide to pass through. Moist and delicate, the moist surface helps gases move smoothly, and being delicate means they're sensitive and need care. Oxygen moves into the blood through tiny air sacs, alveoli, in the lungs. During breathing, oxygen from inhaled air enters the alveoli, which are tiny sacs in the lungs where gas exchange happens. Thin blood vessels, capillaries, wrap around these air sacs. Capillaries are super thin blood vessels that form a network around the alveoli, allowing for efficient gas exchange. As blood picks up oxygen, it becomes oxygen-rich. When blood in capillaries gets oxygen from the alveoli, it becomes saturated with oxygen. Meanwhile, blood low on oxygen moves in to get oxygen. Deoxygenated blood moves through the capillaries to pick up oxygen from the alveoli, getting replaced by oxygen-rich blood that'll go to the body's tissues. If you find our safety videos helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Connected for more life-saving tips and update.